Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel.
Sami's Dream, a story of hope and hard work. In a small, quiet village, nestled among sandy hills, lived a young man named Sami. His family was poor, but their home was full of love. Sami was a smart boy with a big dream. He wanted to learn. Every morning, Sami walked a long way to school. The school was small and old, but for Sami, it was a magical place. He loved books and listened carefully to his teachers. After school, Sami helped his father on their small farm. The work was hard, and his hands were often tired, but his mind was always full of questions. Life in the village was simple. Many children left school to help their families. But Sami's parents knew that education was important. "Your mind is your treasure," his mother would say. "Fill it with knowledge." Sami studied very hard. When the sun went down and the village was dark, he lit a small oil lamp. He read his books for many hours while his family was asleep. He promised himself he would build a better future for them. All his hard work paid off, and Sami got the best results in his high school. A letter came one day. It was a scholarship to study at a big university in the city. Sami was very happy. It was a dream come true. But he was also sad to leave his family. Life in the city was very different. It was noisy and fast. Sami felt lonely sometimes. The university was big, and the other students seemed so confident. Money was always a problem. His scholarship helped, but he still had to work in the evenings to pay for his food and books. There were many nights when he felt like giving up, but then he remembered his family and his village. He knew he had to keep going. Sami did not give up. He studied hard and graduated with a master's degree in business. He started working for big companies. He was a good worker and learned many new skills. He saw how businesses could grow and make a lot of money. But Sami wanted to do more than just make money. He wanted to make a difference. He remembered the challenges in his village. He remembered the children who couldn't go to school because it was too far away, and the farmers who worked hard but earned little. An idea started to grow in his mind. He decided to start his own business. Sami's business was special. It was a social business. Its main goal was not to make a big profit for himself, but to help people. He started a small company that used technology to help farmers in his village sell their products in the city for a better price. He also created a program to help village children get better access to education online. At first, it was very difficult. Some people did not understand his idea. But Sami worked day and night, just like he did when he was a student. Slowly, his business started to grow. The farmers in his village started to earn more money. Their children started to learn new things. Sami's company became a success. He created jobs for many people from his village and other poor areas. He showed everyone that you can be a successful businessman and help your community at the same time. Sami never forgot where he came from. He was still the humble boy from the small village. But now, he was also a leader and an inspiration to many young people who, just like him, had a dream. His story teaches us that with hard work and a good heart, you can change your life and the world around you.